normal, that's it's
No, I will keep eye on it. I will keep eye on it and see how it goes.
Yeah.
It has been 6 minutes. The 13-minute is not changing here, which is supposed to be changed. So I'll still keep eye on it and see if it's finishing this spin cycle or not. Because when it's trying to go to the full spin cycle, it doesn't go to the fully spin cycle. It stops back after that noise. You hear that humming noise, that funny noise at the end, and then after that noise it stops.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna keep eye on it for the next couple of minutes and see how long does it take. It has been 6 minutes so far. 7 minutes almost.
Okay.
Which cycle do you use the most? Which cycle do you use the most? Normal, heavy, delicate?
Normal, mostly.
Okay. So your complaint was that it's not draining, right? It looks that it's draining, but it's not spinning fully. When it's trying to climb up to the highest RPM, that's the time it makes that funny noise and then it shuts off. It doesn't go completely dead, but the spin cycle, that it just stops and then it tries to spin it again.
Yeah, that's why. Normally it spins and then it's done. So, and now it starts and stopped and start and stopped. It's
Yeah.
different. Yeah, every time I opened it,
The clothes were wet?
Yeah.
Okay. So the problem was the motor. I had to order the motor on this unit and replace it. Okay, so the reason I found that the motor is not working on this, or the motor is bad, you see all of these shavings? This is part of the motor. There is nothing else that would cause this issue. There has to be something that's getting grinded here. That's a lot. And I will replace the motor today. To remove the belt, kind of pull it. There was a lot of screws I had to pull out from the back panel. I left all the screws right here. And in order to pull the motor out, you disconnect this ground. Half-inch socket. So this rod is held from the back of the motor with this nut. Maybe I stick something because the motor may fall down. flat from the back, just like that. This area has a little small tiny clip or slot that gets inserted right here at the back. The same thing here. If you don't insert this properly, the back panel will not sit flushed. So while I am waiting for the washer to go on a full spin cycle and see how it works, I open the unit apart here, the motor. It's held by 3 Turks 25 Turks screws, and it's a little bit tricky to open because the motor comes in 2 pieces and it gets hooked also with these 2 rods. And of course the screws, one screw goes here, one goes here, another goes here. So, and also this, you need to press these tabs on it and push it to the back from here. So I pull the motor out. This part is good. Look at these. Look, it's damaged from here. There's the damage. The same material or debris I found from the back of the machine as part of the motor. Okay. The washer has been running perfectly fine without any problem. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos with others. Thank you. Motor comes in 3 pieces. The shell, this part you can see at the back of the motor here is damaged on this side. See, it's damaged on this side, but on this side it's perfectly fine.